Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a Kiwi Bank credit card online. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Kiwi Bank NZ. Then click on the above link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. So next thing we do, we're going to click on credit cards. Then next we're going to compare and contrast the amount of credit card we want. So you guys can compare using their information, then click on apply now. So next there are eligibility criteria listed. Make sure you're under 4 of them. So if you're sure, click on 4 of them. Then next, they're going to fill out the application form. Then click on begin application. Then here, you're going to select the first option as a card holder. Then you're going to write your reason for applying. You guys could choose either of those. Then as well as your card usage, your intentions for it. Then once you write all those, you're going to click on continue. Then here, it's going to be about card details. So what's your limit you would like to apply for? You're going to write on it. So it's going to be $500. Then once you're done, we're going to click on continue again. Then here is where we'll insert the personal details, our address, all about us, our residency status, as well as our ID checker. So once you're done, I'm going to click on continue. So next, you're going to insert your proof of income. Then they'll process your application shortly. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.